My construction crew just finished the renovations of this unit, so I'm gonna leaf blow the driveway and we'll see what I find. This was a big renovation, fully gutted the unit, so there was a dumpster here and there was a lot of debris that was left behind. All right, first step, lots of extension cord, and I got a really awesome leaf blower that I'm gonna use, and this is gonna get up all that debris and junk from the driveway after our construction project's done. All right, so here is all the interesting stuff I found in the driveway. And, you know, it was a driveway that appeared to be very clean. I found all sorts of sharps, you know, things that could puncture tires. That was really my primary goal, was to get things that could puncture tires because I needed to be safe for my tenants as they move in. So that's all the stuff that I found. And then in addition to that, I know I could have just run a magnet to get all of this and it would have been much faster, but in addition to that, this is what my other goal was. And kind of hard to tell, there's a big large mound right here. Here's a better view of all that gravel that I was able to get up there, and the big old pile in the shadows right there. I'm gonna scoop this all up. Now I have a nice, clean parking area. All right, there's one bucket. That's about 20 pounds. And the second bucket, another 25 pounds-ish. Okay, there's 3. So it's about 75 pounds total. All right, bucket number 4, about 100 pounds. All right, and I forgot to record, but I did bucket 5, and this is bucket number 6, about halfway full. So about 150 pounds of gravel and glass and all sorts of fun stuff I was able to remove from this driveway. Well, it goes to show that even if you think the driveway's clean, there's really a lot of stuff there once you start to look for it. Hope that video was helpful. Thanks for watching.